Okay, so we're going to do an application type problem. So I'm going to read the problem and then we'll simplify this. So what it says is the percent resolution of an 8-bit digital to analog converter is given by this calculation that I put on the board. Okay, so now we want to evaluate this. Okay, so how do we evaluate this? By using order of operations. So again, exponents first, right? So we're going to do exponents first. So this is going to be 1 over what? 2 to the 8th power. So that's doubling, right? So that's going to be what? 64. No, 128, right? Oh, no, I'm sorry, not, oh gosh, not 128, it's going to be 512, no. $216. Minus 1 times 100. Now realize that this is a percentage, right? So our end result is going to be a percentage. Just keep that in mind. And so now, what is this? This is going to be now we're going to do, now here's the thing. When we have fractional bars, okay, you've heard me say this again. This is where we kind of adjust our PEMDAS, because when we use fractional bars, we can't do necessarily division before adding and subtracting. So when we have a fractional bar, which represents division, but we want to make sure, in this case, we're going to adjust what we're going to do as far as order of operations. Okay, this is one of the special cases. If we're dealing with fractional bars where we've got something going on the top or the bottom or both, we want to treat those like grouping symbols. So in other words, we're going to handle whatever's going on the top and whatever's going on the bottom first before we divide. Because right now, we're not going to be able to divide this the way it looks. Okay, so let's simplify the bottom. And so this is going to be 1 over 215 times 100%. And now this is where we can do the division or the multiplication. In this case, it doesn't matter the order, the way it is. We could do this divided by this first, or we can do 100% times 1 over 215. Okay, so let's do the division first. So 1 divided by 215 gives us what? 0.39216. Well, let's round 39216. Okay, now I rounded to 5 decimal places. We're going to round sooner than that, but it keeps going. So 39216. And so now if we round to 3 decimal places, then what are we going to do? This is going to round to 0.392 times 100%. Okay? Or actually, no. I think that's already, oh, never mind. That's the final answer. They already, I'm looking at the calculator. That's going to be 0.00. So this is equal to 0.0039216, right? And so if you multiply by 100%, then you get 0.39216%. And of course, if they want to round to 3 decimal places, then it's going to be 0.392%. Okay, and that's the percent resolution of an 8-bit digital to analog converter. Okay, so basically digital to analog. Okay. Have a great day.